Okay, if we just quickly pop around the website, I just want a few things I want to point out to you that may be useful in terms of updating and editing. We're on the home page here, and as we scroll down, one thing that's worth checking every now and again is just that these links work. Sometimes technology glitches happen for no reason other than just to annoy people. So we've got some we've got some testimonials here. So if you want to, one of the things you'll be looking at doing is adding extra testimonials. This is the place to find it. So you've got your testimonials here, about halfway down the home page. When we go to edit the front page, we've got this again, this edit link up here. It always opens the edit part into a new tab, which means it makes it much easier to check. So once you've done a bit of editing, you can quickly flick back, refresh, and then you can see the changes you've made. Now, in order to find things, so as a rundown of the home page, so if we take this part here, we've got the top slider. If we look in the editing bit, that's here. So this is where your sliders are kept. Okay. We can do a bit more on that at some other point if you ever have to add a slider. If we move down to here, our services, and then the 4 areas, the 4 boxes with buttons, that's here. Okay. You also notice that sometimes, though in the back end it doesn't look level, when you go into the front end, it is. And we want to keep it level. We don't want them all over the place, jiggly, sort of bouncing up and down, because again, it doesn't look as good. It's not as easy to follow. Now, testimonials. Here's the title. What people say about us. What people say about us. This is where we got the testimonial, and this is where it sits. So, in order to add a testimonial or edit a testimonial, we click on this section, and these are the testimonials. So, if I wanted to add a testimonial, I would click on Add, and then I'd click on the actual tab, and then the actual area comes up for the testimonial. To discover how best to fill that out, just look at one of the ones that's already been made, and you can see what goes where. Name, subtitle, and just copy and paste it in, click save, and you're good to go. I'll remove that for now rather than a blank one. Always remember, once you've done any editing in this area, to click save, and then once you've done that, you need to go up and you need to update the page in order for it to register. Okay, so if we continue down the home page, we've then got the case studies. Okay, case studies. And again, if we scroll down here, we've got case studies, and this is the case study area. And again, you can see we've got the 3 boxes and the 3 buttons, which are these, all nice and level. And then underneath that comes the pictures. In terms of how the pictures work, we go down here, we've got masonry gallery. So this masonry gallery is this bit. If I want to change that, I'll click on the actual masonry gallery module, and up it opens. Sometimes it thinks about it for a bit. It depends on how quick or how slow your internet connection is. If it gets stuck at any time, like it has now, just close it and do it again. And usually, but the second time, in most cases, it fires up, and sometimes you have to use, like now, a third one. I'm sure this will be 3rd time lucky. Or not. I think I've got too many tabs open on my computer. So it does work. Just to refresh the page. That means my internet's down. Hold on a second. And we're back. The internet is now reconnected. So there it goes. It's always a reason. So basically, if I wanted to add more pictures to this gallery, which I wouldn't do because there's only 3 case studies at the moment, and there's 3 case studies in that line, I would then click on. But if you want to change pictures, this is how you access them. So you can edit the gallery, you can then move these around should you wish. If you want to add to the gallery, you click that. You then select files from the media library which you've already uploaded, or you upload them direct from your computer. That's how it works. Now, just to finish this bit off, click save, Let's go back to the home page. So where are we? Right, so this bit here, let's finish this off, is here. So this is called a promo bar. So basically you put some words into here, as you can see, and automatically the button is there. Close that, go back to the home page. There it is. Click on the button. If you want to change these colours, should you need to, where you find them is in the tab called Colours. So basically that's the colours, and obviously you can get the codes from here. If you click on that, a box it comes up. For most of them, like for white and black, it's pretty standard. That's that one. Then accreditations, which are these bits here. This is a plugin, and that's the code of the plugin, basically. And that plugin code belongs to this plugin. So you click on the plugin. Obviously, it's asking me. This is what happens if you do play around with stuff. Before you can, if you try and navigate away from the page before you save it, it will flag up a warning. Therefore, and it will let you go without that warning once you've updated it. Even though I didn't really change anything, it doesn't know that, so it's a precaution, and it's a precaution I'd rather have than not have. So we go to logo. So this, going back to this, then that's the code for the accreditations. Okay, so that's these bits here, and the plugin for that, where you manage those, is in Logo Showcase. There we go. Where are we? Okay, so plugins, logos, Logo Showcase. When you get to that page, we've then got all of these are all the logos you see on that home page. And again, this is how we edit them. So if you wanted to remove one, what I would always do if I wanted to remove one, let me just go back to it, is edit, and then I would then change one of these from public or published to draft, and therefore you still keep it there, but it's off the site. So that's where you find the logos. Here we are. This part here is actually widgets on the footer, and where you find them are under appearance and widgets, and they are the footer area called footers. So you've got footer 1, our services, footer 2, our ethos, where to find us, and number 4, contact us, and that is here. Okay, so that's a quick run round of the areas of what you're looking for. So one of the things you'll be editing, I expect, is adding things like testimonials. So that it will be good for that one, and I shall put that on the website, which the video page, as you know, is logged as private, so you can't see it until you've logged in. Okay, that's it. Thank you.